Today we're going to talk about collaborations. Collaborations is a powerful tool inside of Canvas. With collaborations, you, your students, and even your parents and observers can create collaborative documents, whether they be Office 365 or Google Apps for Education documents, right inside of Canvas. The best thing about collaborations is you do not have to know every student or every parent or even every teacher's email address. If they are enrolled in your course, you simply click on their name and give them editing rights. So to get started, we're going to click on collaborations in the navigation of our course. If you have an I with a line through it, that means that students will not be able to view collaborations and therefore cannot create collaborations either. So when the time is right, consider turning this on. You'll click on collaborations and then you'll click on plus collaboration on the right side. You'll choose Google Apps for Education if your school is a Google school, or you can choose Office 365. You'll then select the type of your collaboration, whether it be a Word document or a spreadsheet or a presentation. You'll go ahead and give it a title. You can choose to give it a description if you'd like, if you feel like that would help your students. If I was in a CLT, I can go ahead and add the teachers to my CLT, and now I've created this collaborative CLT document. If I was working with my students and I wanted to create a collaborative document for them in advance, so I wanted to go through maybe the night before and create documents for all of the small groups working together, I could add them in. If I was doing something with a parent and I wanted to add a parent and maybe their child as a collaborative communication log. So no matter what the choice you have, even if you have groups, and we'll talk about groups in another video, but if you've had groups for a project and you wanted to add every member from that group to that collaborative document, giving them all editing rights, you would click on the group there. So we're going to use an example here. I'm going to add a teacher and I'm going to add a student. When I'm all done, I'm going to go down and hit save. Remember, when you're adding somebody to a collaboration, you're giving them full editing rights. If I wanted to change who had editing rights, I could go back to the pencil and hit and remove or add people to it. If I wanted to delete the collaboration, I'd click the trash can. If I want to edit the collaboration, there's a few ways. The easiest is just clicking on the title. Because I chose a Word document, Microsoft Word on OneDrive will open up. I then can edit the document in the browser or in the app if I'm signed in to my Prince William County email. Then when I'm all finished, it saves right inside of here. I can go back to my collaborations and click on it again if I ever need it. But one of the other nice things about collaborations is this stores this inside of your OneDrive and inside of your Google Drive. In Google Drive, it just stores it in the My Drive section. In OneDrive, it actually creates a folder called Canvas. And then inside of that, you have a folder for every course that you have a collaboration started in. And then you see about a minute ago, I created this document and it has my name on it. If I delete it from here, it deletes it from everywhere. If I delete it from Canvas, it just deletes it from Canvas, but still saves it in my OneDrive or in my Google Drive. So that's collaborations. As a teacher, I can create a collaborative document with my CLT members and we can collaborate right inside of our sandbox. I can also, as a teacher, create a collaborative document for all of the small groups that I have already set up for my projects. I can also create a collaborative document with a parent or an observer as a communication log. I can create a collaborative document with all of my parents as a class newsletter or a spreadsheet for them to sign up or announcements through, say, a PowerPoint or a Google Slide. What's nice about all of this is that everybody, your parents, you, and your students can use Canvas to create collaborations. So why don't you, during this time, create a collaborative document with somebody that's in your sandbox of ideas that you have planning for the upcoming school year, whether it be a Google or Office 365 document. Thanks for watching.